Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your mom Mary, back again with another makeup video. So guys, in this video we'll be learning how to create this look. If you want to achieve this look, keep watching. Also, I have a foundation routine video and a brow video. I'll be linking it in the description box, and also I'll be putting it around the video so you can watch it to see how I achieve my foundation routine and also how I achieve my brows. Keep watching to see how I achieve this look. I'll be using the Lovelies base as my base today, my eyeshadow base. I'm going to blend it out with the flat brush. After blending it out, just make sure I blend it out very well so it doesn't have any crease lines. Then I go into my vivid eyeshadow pigment from So Pro Cosmetics and just put it just above my crease to give it the shape I want, and then I just blend it out. I blend out the edges. So I'm going back into the eyeshadow and then I just apply it around my liner area and blend it out. After blending it out, then I go into the same Lovelies base to cut the crease. After cutting the crease, I just blend it out again, just to make sure everything sits well with my flat brush. And I go into a brown eyeshadow to just let that set. Then I'll be going into the Lovelies base also to cut this liner to give it a very straight line. Then I draw an extra wing line down. After drawing it, then I go back into the Lovelies base to cut that also. Then I go into my glitter pigment, just use it to line that extra liner I just did. So it has this cute little glitter edge. Then I apply a glitter base on my lids so the glitters can stay, and then I start putting in some glitters. This eyeshadow look is actually very easy. All you need is precision. Now I'm putting on my lashes. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.